Today I'm gonna show you how to create a VBA macro to be used to copy data from sheet number 1 to sheet number 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this data here in sheet number 1. I'm gonna copy this into sheet number 2 right here, and I'm gonna access the VBA editor to write the VBA macro. So I'm gonna press Alt plus F11, and I'm gonna insert the module number 1, and then I'm gonna close this Project Explorer as well as the properties window to make the screen a bit wider. And then I'm gonna write the macro sub, and I'm gonna name it copy data to sheet number 2. Copy data to sheet number 2. Okay, enter. Then for my variable, I'm gonna write dim WS1 as worksheet. So I got two variables. Another one is WS2 as worksheet. Then enter. Then I'm gonna set the WS1. Set WS1 equals sheets, open parenthesis, quotation mark, sheet number 1, quotation mark, then close. Then another one, set WS2 equals sheets, open parenthesis, quotation mark, sheet number 2, quotation mark, then close, then enter. Okay, so another one that I'm gonna write is WS1, okay, dot used range, okay, dot copy, then destination colon equals WS2 dot range. Then I want this to go to the destination cell A1. So open parenthesis, quotation mark, A1 in WS2. So this is WS2. Almost forgot. WS2. Okay. Then A1 destination, quotation mark, then close. Okay, and that's it. WS1 dot use range dot copy. Okay, wrong spelling, destination, then colon equals WS2 dot range A1. I think this is okay now. So this is the code that I'm gonna use to copy the data from sheet 1 to sheet number 2 right here. So I'm gonna open the macros, right, and then I'm gonna run the copy data to sheet number 2, run it. Okay, there you have it. I'm gonna format it so row height should be 30. Okay, then I'm gonna change the column width, then double click this, right? So okay, I'm gonna change this to that. I'm gonna change this price per unit, quantity, discount, and this one also is also discount. Okay, so I'm gonna just adjust this. Alright, so this is discount, this is price discount. After discount, I'm gonna make it a bit I'm gonna adjust this as well, like that. Then the shipping fee, I'm gonna adjust this too. Then the total checkout amount. Okay, then enter. Then I'm gonna make it a bit narrower. Okay, that's it. So this is the sheet number 2 that we got from sheet number 1. Okay, from here, sheet number 1. Then I got sheet number 2. Alright, so we got it. So that's it for today's exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.